Well, that was fun. It's a shame about the atrium's not open. They got some fabulous flowers in there. Probably opens, I don't know. It was open last time we were here, but it was summer. So this is City Park, Launceston. Yeah, like, look at this beautiful location in the heart of the city in Lonnie, and yeah, you can come down, relax in the park, see some monkeys. That sort of freaked me out first time I seen that. Some monkeys in the park, but yep, some construction work going on across the road on the new stadium, or the upgrade of the existing. So ooh, look at that morning sun. It was 3 degrees Celsius when I got out of the car here this morning. So yes, I don't know if you can see the breath coming out, but it looks like I'm smoking. This tree's been pruned well back. And most of the trees have got a name plaque. It tells you where it was from. But they started this in the 1800s, planting trees from all around the world in City Park. And yeah, as you can tell, there's a truck goes past. Yeah, awesome location. Oh well, this is Radio Jonesy. I come down to the airport today at Launceston, you know, and I got other things to do. I got to get back in. It's a Friday. Get back and babysit Charlie, just so the tropics don't fill out of place. There are some palms here. This must be the little corner of the South Pacific, maybe. This one's tied off. Probably hoping it to stay there. Nice little spot in there to sit back, relax. Yeah. So there you go. Launceston City Park. Hope you enjoyed it. It's Radio Jonesy. Until we meet again.